What's up everybody, it's Leland here with Icon Rocklear, and today we're going to be showing you how to wash a vehicle that's been freshly Icon Rocklear. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is get your favorite soap, okay? Once you have your favorite soap, you're going to put a little bit of soap in a bucket and a little bit inside of your foam cannon reservoir, just like this. Once you have your bucket, you're going to take 6 to 8 microfiber cloths, virgin microfiber cloths straight out of the pack, and you're going to put them in your bucket and fill it with water. Okay, now that we have our bucket with our microfiber cloths, we're nice and in the mood to wash our vehicle. This is how you're going to take care of your vehicle that's been freshly coated. Okay, with these microfiber cloths and our bucket of water, we're going to do a pre-rinse over the vehicle and just wash the whole thing and get the main dirt and grime off of the vehicle. So now that we've knocked off the main dirt, we're going to hook up our foam reservoir and go ahead and foam this entire vehicle down to create some lubrication. Now it's important while you're foaming the vehicle, you always want to work top to bottom, not the vice versa, and that's with every step of this process. Rinse, foam, wipe, everything from top to bottom. So let's get into it. What we're gonna do is actually take our nice soapy microfiber cloth out of our nice soapy bucket of water and gently apply a nice agitation over the entire vehicle. Very light pressure while it's still lubricated by soap, both from the microfiber and the vehicle. We folded the microfiber into 8 components. So I have 8 clean sides to this microfiber cloth. So how does this one bucket wash method work? Well, I've used this side, so now I'm gonna flip it over and use another fresh, clean, soapy side to do the next panel. And guys, look, I'm just using my fingertips here. I'm not even scrubbing it hard, okay? Just using fingertip pressure, working top to bottom, side to side, one panel at a time. When those 4 sides are done, flip the entire thing inside out, go ahead and hit another panel. To avoid cross-contamination, we're gonna go ahead grab a new, fresh microfiber cloth to do the next 8 panels. Fold it into 4ths. Now we're ready to keep it going. All right, so we've now scrubbed the entire vehicle down top to bottom using the 1 bucket wash method, soapy microfiber cloths, and a soapy vehicle. So now it's time, we're gonna rinse the entire vehicle down, and we're almost done, guys, so hang in there tight. All right, so now that we've rinsed down the entire vehicle, I want you to pay attention to this panel so you can see on what to expect. You'll see that there's a lot of water here, and in just a matter of about 2 to 3 minutes, this panel will be virtually dry because hydrophobics of Icon Rocklear, it sheets water instead of beating water, leaving you less water to dry off. So that being said, let's jump in to how to dry a vehicle with Icon Rocklear. The 2 tools we're gonna need for drying a vehicle is a nice plushy drying towel and a little bit of air. The only time we're gonna use a drying towel is for the roof and the hood of the vehicle, and simply place it on and gently wipe it back. All right, folks, and that concludes how to properly wash your vehicle that has been freshly coated with Icon Rocklear. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any installer. And if you want to get it on with Icon and have your vehicle protected with the strongest, longest lasting, glossiest, most durable and protective coating that exists on the market, please reach out to us here at Icon Rocklear, Virginia. mitt.com.